Hello everyone, this is Neha and I'm back with another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself and your family. I had lot many questions to take up this week and I was little dicey which question should I pick first. Thank you again to the requesters for giving me an opportunity to share my views with you all. I have picked up question of my choice and the question is, what if you have met your twin flame in this lifetime but you two have not physically touched each other? This question is extremely dear to me and I can talk about this endlessly. Though I have covered some part of it in one of my other episodes where I had mentioned about the physical attraction among the twin flames. You may check that as well in case you have not checked it yet. Friends, like I always say that there are no specific rules and guidelines and the journey is unique in itself for everyone. Even for the twin counterparts, this journey can never be the same as they too are different individuals on this 3D plane. Hence, I will be sharing my views and opinions here. What if? A lot of what ifs come around with the twin flamers. There could be a huge possibility of such a scenario wherein the twin flames have not dated each other and might not even physical contact ever. The connection can still be more intense than any other biological or physical relations you had experienced before. This can only be felt by whom who had experienced the physical intimacy with their soulmate and have experienced the twin flame connection. Trust me, this would hardly make any difference if you two have not in physical contact with each other. Have you ever thought about people in long distance relationships? They do not and can never rely on physical love. They are driven by the love that is inspired by their heart and their soul. Souls recognize each other by vibes and not by appearance. Once you find your soul connection, other factors become trivial. You would find it hard to feel pleased in any other relationship once your soul is in love. The simple reason is twin flame connection is of two souls, and when two souls fall in love, they only know that it is right to be with one another regardless of any other materialistic factors. As they say, when the mind falls in love, it is temporary. When the heart falls in love, it lasts a lifetime. But when the soul falls in love, it is eternal. I strongly believe that it is yet another indication that confirms about your twin flame connection. You know how? You may move on with other relationships in your life, but you can never break the relationship that is meant for eternity. So, if your mind is troubling you with the question that after all these years, why you are still stuck with this person, you know it now. With this, I would like to wrap up today's episode. Hope you will connect to my thoughts, and if it resonates with you, please let me know about your twin flame journey and I would love to share it with my audience. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Till then, take care of yourself. Ta-ta.